Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made this incredible inspired centerpiece, and it is pretty simple. I'm going to use a couple of things that I already had at home, which is a cereal box, a paper towel roll that is empty, printables that I have, and also ribbons. I'm going to be using different color ribbons according to the theme. Also 2 kebab sticks. I'm going to be using tissue paper, balloons, my hot glue gun, and just a couple of things here like number 2 and different paper colors and tissue papers, styrofoam ball, and a balloon holder. So I'm going to start with the base of the centerpiece. I'm going to draw a circle on the inside of the cereal box, and then I'm going to cut the sides of the cereal box. That way I'll have the base for the centerpiece. And I'm just going to make small cuttings here because they're going to help us tabs, so I can actually glue it into the centerpiece, into the circle. The paper towel roll, I'm going to use it to glue the logo of the Incredibles. I would recommend you to decorate before you actually glue it in there. I totally skipped that step, but I mean it works either way. It's just a little more difficult to do it once it is in a centerpiece. I added 2 tabs in order to be able to adjust it to the base of the circle. And now I cover it up with red paper. You can use wrapping paper, tissue paper, or just paint it if you want. I just decided to do it this way. Now I'm gonna get a piece of yellow paper and I'm gonna cut it in half long ways. This way I'll be able to cover the base for the centerpiece. You can use any other method you want. This is just easy for me and I like how it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'm going to use the same method of using tabs in order to hide it and just make it more even. Now I'm going to glue the paper towel roll that I have right here, and I'm going to add the logo at the end. So I'm just going to glue the top part first, then I'm going to go adjust it with the other half. I actually printed this reflected, that way it doesn't look weird when I'm putting them together, so they are a reflection of each other. And I'm gonna add it to the paper towel roll this way. I'm gonna take the styrofoam ball and I'm gonna glue it to a piece of paper, that way it will stay in the centerpiece. And this is gonna help me to glue any kebab sticks or the balloon when I need to glue it here. Another step that I'm gonna add is the tissue paper. You can alternate the colors with either yellow, black, red, whatever color you're using for the Incredibles theme. You can do it this way. I decided to go with all black. I think it looks nice because it already has enough colors, so I needed like a contrast, so I decided to just go with black tissue paper. And doing it by like this, gluing the tissue paper into the strip of white paper helps, instead of gluing each of one of them into the centerpiece. I'm gonna go ahead and glue Jack's face into a red piece of paper, and I'm gonna cut a little border around him. It will give it a different look, a pop-up of color. And I'm gonna glue the back too. I'm just gonna leave the bottom unglued for a little bit so I can actually insert the kebab stick. And since my little one is about to turn 2, I decided to use this number. You can use either your baby's name. I just think I like adding the number of the age the baby is turning, and I'm doing it this way. I'm just gonna cut the same way. I'm gonna leave a little edge around the two. It'll make the color pop more, and then I'm gonna glue it into the kebab stick. You can do it like either in the base of a centerpiece. I decided to do it there, and I'm gonna place the face and the number into the centerpiece. So now I'm gonna start decorating. I actually have a tutorial on how to make this kind of bow, this simple bow. It is pretty simple to make and very useful, as you can tell. So I'm gonna start just decorating with ribbons and making it look nice. And I'm gonna use the tool just to add a little bit more dimension. You don't need to do this. I just wanted to look a little different with extra things coming out of the centerpiece. It's just a step that you can actually skip if you don't want to do it this way. I'm gonna add a balloon. You can add more balloons if you want, or marshmallows, any kind of candy you have, probably lollipops too, and that will look amazing. So I'm gonna cover the base of the centerpiece with a piece of black ribbon. If it actually works, I'm gonna go around it. And this is what the centerpiece looks like. It is simple, it is cheap to make, so if you're planning a party on a budget, this is the perfect solution for you. It won't take you too long and you're gonna save some money. I also decorated a couple, like a table, just something quick to show you that is really easy to decorate for your kids' party and you don't have to do a lot of things. This is what it looks like. I use just paper bags for the candy bags, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to check out my other videos, to subscribe and give me a like, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.